Well, just sort of a traction of the brachial plexus and a spinal cord injury. It just sort of turns off every once in a while. I'm not dead. So what do I do first? Over, then one, down, and then I pull and bring, just let your head tilt onto my fingertips on the other side. So what does the patient do? They relax into my fingertips and I adjust on this side. Okay, take a breath in and out, and look at me. Yeah. Okay, so that was up. So was that a facet or uncovertebral? Uncovertebral because it was going up. Okay, so cradle your patient's head in your hand, find the contralateral side, base of little finger, over, down, look up. Why do I have her look up? Okay, remember that wherever you look is where your cervical muscles go. Try looking to the left and turning your head to the right. Not so easy to do, right? Now look to the right and turn your head quick. See how it goes in the direction? So once you get into the position, okay, look up at me. Good. So you either pull, post, and push. It's that same translation through the disc. Questions?